Our commercial clients are getting multiple quotes, and some of these quotes are quite inexpensive. The things that commercial customers should be looking for is life cycle cost of the equipment. You install a quality system and a quality component, you can guarantee those savings for a long period of time. A cheap system or an inexpensive system will need to be replaced 2 or 3 times before a good quality system will ever need replacement. When we're calculating the return on investment for our commercial clients, we're looking at so many factors. We're looking at their load profile and their usage. We're looking at their electricity bill and their tariffs. We're looking at how their business is run and their hours of operation. These are the things that determine the value of that investment and how it will pay itself off. Commercial clients are investing in high quality systems because they don't want to have an issue down the track. Quality systems allow you to install and get the benefits and savings for many years to come. Using a high quality product and a high performance panel means that you're getting more wattage for less square meterage. This allows you to reduce the weight on the roof, which can have better implications on commercial premises when there are restrictive engineering requirements. Our commercial clients, if the system is designed well, can have 100% self-consumption, can have payback less than 4 years and sometimes even as close as 3 years. This means solar systems have never been more viable and more economical. We're installing for local councils, for businesses, because we use quality components, and what we install is designed to last for decades.